Here you go.
Now you can say hello.
Okay.
Hey y'all, Stacey Wells here, Stacey Wells Artistry, and I got Colton here again with me.
Hello.
We're going to do another painting video for y'all, and Colton has provided us with music. Mario. Okay. Let me get the camera angled down toward the canvas. Alright. Right there. Alright. Now, that's an old canvas that I don't like, so we're going to paint over it. I'm not using a base coat because I'm doing an experiment without base coats. I'll talk about that a little bit. Today, I'm going to teach Colton how to do a swipe because we've already done a flip cup, and that was a lot of fun. And Colton said he wanted to do what kind of colors?
Volcano colors, basically.
Volcano colors. So we're going to do...
And a beautiful gold.
That's right. Okay. And which color are we going to swipe with? What color are we going to pull? We're going to put all of the colors in a row on here. And then we're going to pull one color down over the other ones. Which one are we going to pull down over? The gold?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to use gold as our swipe color.
And if you want to see the gold, here it is.
Yeah, let's show them the gold. The gold's really pretty.
Yes.
Okay. All these colors are Master's Touch or Liquitex. This is, except for this one, is Deco Art 24 karat gold. And they're all mixed, 1 part paint, 1 part PVA, and about 4 parts Floetrol with some water to thin. Colton, now what we're going to do is, since this is our swap color, it's going to go over the top right here. So I want you to pour this along this line up here. Okay? Got it? Along the line. Good. That's the only part that has to be kind of right. Other than that, there we go. Alright. Now, these other ones we're just going to pour around in here, okay? So get you one. Get you the red. Okay, pour me some stripes of red in here. On the canvas, get it all around in there. And I see a piece of sludge on there I'm going to get out. Piece of something. I can't seem to get it. Maybe it's a snare bubble. Okay, keep going. There's something. I got it. Okay. Get the next color. Put that one down. Get the bronze. Okay. Put some bronze on there.
My mom will tell you what bronze is. Tell them.
Bronze is kind of like brownish gold.
Like, for example, a penny.
Very good. That's actually copper, but close. All right. Get it up on the canvas now. Put out some up here.
No.
It doesn't have to get all the way on the edge. We want it mixed up. Put some up here.
Okay.
You got some left? Okay. That's good. Alright. Get our next color.
And it's orange. Now that's going to go with the red.
Okay. We'll fill in the spaces. Don't put it on top. Put it around. Because we got to get that canvas covered. That's good. Cover the canvas with it. We may have to fill in some gaps here, y'all. It's okay.
I will do that.
Alright, you do that. This is going to be the funniest swipe in history. We'll see how this turns out.
Or if we make another video, that will be the most
I'll put
funniest.
a little bit on here. I'll get some of this so we can get all our paint out. We don't want to waste paint.
Hold on, the music is about to end.
Is the music?
Sorry, y'all.
Oh, is the music going to end?
Yeah.
Oh, we had to fix the music.
Yes, sorry.
Alright, that's all the red. Get the black. Okay. Put us some black all in there mixed up. Just the main thing is to just mix it up. Put some up here. Okay, get up in there. Go across.
Here.
Good job. I'm gonna fill in a little bit of the gaps.
Same with me.
You fill in some of the gaps. Now we got. Oh, good. We got it all covered, y'all. I can't believe it.
But we have this side.
We have it all covered just about. There we go. All right. Have you got all that black out? Let me see the black amount.
There we go.
Uh-oh. Okay. Let's see here.
Tiny gap.
Alright, I'll just put us a little bit of black swipes on there.
Black swipes.
And I'm going to just mix that up a little bit. Now, we're ready to do our swipe. Alright, do you know what we do when we do a swipe? No?
We swipe?
We swipe. Okay, very good. Alright. We're going to swipe with a paper towel because that's how I like to do it. Whoops. Okay, now, I'm going to show you. And you're going to do this, okay? I'm going to put the paper towel up here and let it sort of sink into the end of our paint down there. Okay, now come closer because you're going to take this paper towel in your hands. Grab it. Both hands. Both hands. No, this hand over here. All right, now pull it slowly. Perfect. Perfect. That's actually a pretty good swipe.
Yeah.
All right. We got some little bumps in there. I'm not sure what that is. Air bubbles. Air bubbles.
Uh-oh.
What do we do about air bubbles?
We use a flare. Whatever it's called.
The torch. We're going to torch those.
Torch. Well, that's actually what it's called.
Would you get me the juice for this? You know where it is?
What?
That.
This?
I'll get it in just a second.
The glue.
No, the fuel, the lighter fuel.
Oh.
How about that? You're asking your 9-year-old to hand you the lighter fuel.
Yes.
All right, son, hand me the lighter fuel. Let me get the lighter fuel because we're gonna need some more. While we're letting that sit just a second, I'm gonna fill the torch up again, and because it needs a minute to let that make a few cells. Get over there from the camera.
I gotta do classic music.
All right, we're doing more Mario classic music.
But instead, it's the original.
All right, let's see how that works.
NES.
All right, now we got that. Let that sit for a second. We got a few cells popping up. We'll torch it a little more.
Yes. We do that.
All right, now we're going to tilt it. All right, come on.
I'm not gonna get wet.
Okay, now put your hands on the sides. And then we're going to kind of lift it up and slowly, easily let it slide backwards. That's a cat trying to get in.
Oh no.
That's okay.
It's gonna break it.
You pay attention to what you're doing. Hold the canvas.
I am.
Okay. Now see how the paint is sliding down?
Yeah.
Hold it up, Colton. Alright. Now we want it sliding that way first. Because we're tilting this way.
It's kind of dripping.
It's alright. Colton's one of those kids that doesn't like to get dirty. So we... Alright, we're tilting towards the left corner now.
Oh no.
Don't worry about the cat. Is she in here?
No.
Okay, watch your fingers. You're all over the top of my canvas. Move your fingers. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let me take over for a minute. We got a piece of something in there and I don't like it.
It's a piece of cat.
It's a
No, it's
blob of paint.
No, it's a piece of cat.
Okay.
Not technically the bad word. But seriously, we do got a piece of cat, guys. That's trying to break in.
Alright, we got some. I'll tilt it a little bit.
The trash can.
The trash can is over here.
The trash can over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's some strange looking cells forming on this one. I got some. We didn't mix our paint really well. We gotta mix our paint better. because we've got some blobs in there.
Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, but that's okay.
That blob? Blah, blah?
Let's see. We got, for some reason, this big black stripe down the middle.
Where?
And I don't know if we
Well,
can get some
that's
cells out of that or not. We'll see.
Mom, it's a swipe. You just...
Well, we'll see. I'm going to torch it some more and we'll see what we get.
Torch!
Okay, we'll do some more torching and see what we come up with here. This part is really pretty over here. I'd like to see some more cells forming in this middle part, but it's okay, Colton. We're at the cat. See, we'd like to see some more cells forming in this area.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure what to do about it.
Torch it.
That's what I usually do.
Yes, you got to torch it, duh. Here.
Okay, I'm going to tilt a little more. Let's just do... Oh, there's some really pretty cells forming over here on the left side. I think I'm going to tilt it a little more. See what we get. I like the way that red is popping through the black. I just like to see a little more of it. Okay, let's see what we can get. Okay. Let's see what we get. That's doing a little something.
That is just good.
Colton's going to be our music director here.
Yeah, I'm already the music director. The forever and never-ending music director. Which my battery's low. So there's probably going to be no music. But there will be next video.
I kind of like that. It's coming around. I'm trying to make it where y'all can see, but
I can. I can be anything.
Okay, don't leave that.
I just want the viewers to get a better view.
They can see good. Okay. Okay, y'all, we're going to torch some more just because I'm not sure.
You should.
When I'm not sure what to do, I torch. We'll torch just a little bit more and then we're going to just let it sit. I like what it's doing. It's unusual. And we'll see how it comes out. Come on back over. Alright. Get your spot.
Also, guys, this is my painting that I made right here.
You're going to have to move over where they can see better. Just a minute. Let me get this done.
Okay. Here it is. A half-old painting.
Well, now I'm going to have to hold the camera where they can see because right now they're aimed down at the canvas. That's pretty, actually.
Yes. This?
Yes. Okay, I'm done torching that.
Okay, so here it is.
That's Colton's picture he wanted to show you. It was a rainbow, and then he decided to go all gold.
Yeah. No, half gold. See, half gold?
Oh, half gold, yes. Okay.
Yes.
Let's
It's
get
not like a pour.
No, that's a regular acrylic painting.
Yes.
All right, go get in front of the camera, and I'm going to move the camera down where we can let them see our picture here a little bit better. That actually turned out pretty cool from here. I was worried about it there for a little bit. We probably should stir our paints a little bit better. Colton and I mixed our paints off camera because that's kind of if this is a circus, that's an ultimate circus, us mixing our paints. But we mixed our paints off camera, and we might not have done as thorough a job of that as we should have, possibly. But anyway, here we go. Let me let y'all look at this up close because I think it turned out actually pretty cool. I was worried about it there for a while, but it's actually pretty unusual and neat. Let's look at these cells up close. See, we got some unusual cells in here.
Which better.
It does look like a volcano. That looks like lava right there. It looks just like lava.
There is some lava on you.
Look at that. That looks just like lava. All right, guys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the other channel.
What other channel? Tell them the other channel. Colton has a channel.
Drum roll, please. Colton Brown's channel.
Colton has a channel. We both have our channels, and we both like for everyone to like and subscribe and join us again for Painting with Colton. And that's where I try to teach Colton how to paint. Yeah, there's a lot of that going on here. Anyway.
Like you press the button to like you press the like right here.
Yeah, just the like. Press the like. Press the like
and
button.
Subscribe.
That's right.
Just smash the subscribe button. Just kick it.
That's right. That's right. Just kick it. Thank y'all for being with us. We appreciate it. All right. Y'all have a great day. And join us again for Painting with Colton. Have a good day.
Again, it's President's Day.
Oh, it's President's Day. That's right. Happy President's Day, everybody. All right. This is Painting with Colton signing off. Sign off.
Bye.